kids! Today, we'll learn the words that start with the letter A. Let's go! A. A is for alligator. A is for acorn. A is for anaconda. A is for actor. A is for angry. A is for ambulance. A is for axe. A is for ankle. A is for ananas. A is for astronaut. A is for aardvark. A is for apricot. A is for ass. A is for anteater. A is for anchor. A is for arrow. A is for abacus. A is for armor. A is for army. A is for avocado. A is for almond. A is for anchorfish. A is for armadillo. A is for amla. A is for achiote. A is for apple. A is for ape. A is for airplane. A is for ant. A is for addax. A is for axolotl.